Happy birthday to you, shining star, may your dreams come true. No matter how far you
Happy birthday, Kuya Francis! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo!
The world is lucky to have you. Don't you know?
Hi, Francis. Happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday. Tagal mo na yan, ano? Tagal mo nang tinitiis ang lamig dyan. Sige, enjoyin mo lang yan. Okay, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Francis! You are blessed.
And you are a blessing to the Pagkalinawan family.
Enjoy the day!
Mabuhay, Kuya Bunas! Happy birthday, Tito Francis!
Happy birthday, Kuya Francis! We wish you good health and more blessings for you and your family.
And sana, Tito, makauwi na kayo at makapagbakasyon dito. Power, stay safe, and rock and roll!
Yun lang, happy birthday ulit. Humayo ka at isik ng kapugian.
Yun lang, bye-bye!
How far you light up the room.
Happy birthday, Tito Francis! More birthdays, more blessings, and good health. Happy birthday!
To everybody out there, to the birthday celebrators, sa aking kapatid na si Francis, to my sister, Isan, to my loving girl, my niece, Kayela, and to you, sweetheart, Rigel. To everybody out there, mabuhay. So, first of all, thank you for inviting me and to be a part of this 40th celebration of my brother, Francis. So, to you, young man, I thank you very much for this kind of life that you give to my sister and of course to my niece and nephew. Not in terms of material or not the opportunity that you gave to my sister to go to Canada. Not that. But because of being you. Because you're a good person. And because you love my sister unconditionally. You know, I will share you some event in our life. No? This is something awkward. But this is something that is very vivid to my mind. Because my sister, Isan, is very rare in telling me personal things about her. No? But we're close. We can talk about anything under the sun. But to tell a portion of her feelings, that is something different. No, so years ago, matagal na. There is just one morning, as if she only waited for me to open my eyes. I just woke up one morning. The first thing in the morning that she told me, Ate, Francis is my boyfriend. She told me that. Those phrases. Ako naman, so, kadidilat ko lang, no? So, I don't know what to say. I don't know how to express. Or, I don't know what to express. There's nothing to say about that. To my mind, what I can see is a lady who is so sure about her feelings. A lady who is madly in love. And I can see also a sister who has a different kind of respect to another sister. A sharing of that kind of feeling. That strong feeling, no? Kasi that's first thing in the morning, no? Dinilat ko lang yung mata ko and then that's what she said. Pero ako, I don't alarm at all. I am not surprised at all. Because even before she told me that, I am a witness to this kind of love. These two persons who are madly in love. Francis is her first boyfriend. And nakita ko na yung tinatawag na forever, no? Kasi nga, iba yung love nila eh. That is very unconditional. So, miskin ng mga panahon na yan, no? Pasensya na Francis, no? Wala pang gaanong pera yan si Francis eh. Pero ang love language niya talaga is actions. No? Most of the time, gagawa yan sa bahay, magre-repair yan, magluluto yan ng ube, he will cook this jam. Masakit yun sa kamay eh. But he's doing that. And then also, yung respeto niya sa aking magulang, sa aking mother, yung respeto niya sa aking mga kapatid. And also, he is a very soft-spoken person. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, what more can I wish for my sister than to have that kind of person that will love him, that will love her. So to you, Francis, thank you very much for being you, for being a good person, for being a God-fearing person, for being humble. I can see that. I can sense that. At alam mo pa kung ano gusto ko sa'yo, brother? Masaya ka kapag nakakatulong ka sa kapwa. I can sense that. That is a different kind of personality. So to you, for being a good person, brother, thank you very much. Happy 40th birthday. Enjoy that day. Sabi nga nila, life starts at 40. So enjoy it. Savor it. Hands up to you. Salute to you. Happy birthday, brother. I love you.